Hello, Eamonn Doorly here, boat builder at the Maritime Museum of the Atlantic, and I'd like to present to you a boat that was just recently built here. It's called the Bird Class, and it's a boat that's designed to be both sailed and rowed by young people, and also to be built by young people over a 3 or 4 month period. This boat was designed by Laurie McGowan and was very generously sponsored by the O'Rourke family. In the next video, I'll show you one of the kind of unique features of this boat, which is the WTF topsail. Hello, Eamonn Doorly here from the Maritime Museum, and I'd like to demonstrate for you one of the unique features of the Bird Class Dinghy, which is the WTF topsail. The WTF stands for What the Flip, and Dan's going to demonstrate now how the actual topsail works. So we're sailing along here and we're going to tack soon. So Dan's going to let go of the line. The boat is going to luff, or the sail is going to luff right here. And now he's going to pull it back down over the main halyard. And there you go. You've set your WTF sail. And we're going to do it one more time backwards. So there you go, Dan. Pull it the other way. It's a really unique innovation. Thank you for watching. Hello, this is the final installment of videos about our new boat, the Bird Class. As you can see, this boat has watertight bulkheads, one up forward, one aft, 2 rowing stations, dagger board, and it also has a kick-up rudder, which we thought would be very useful if we're going out to some of the islands around here. As you can see, it's also a very fast planing hull, so I think that this boat will really be quite a performance boat, along with the WTF topsail. And once again, I'd like to acknowledge the great design work of Laurie McGowan, who designed this boat for us, for boat school, and also the very generous support of the O'Rourke family. Thank you for watching.